So I'm here in Kyoto on my way to a bonsai exhibition. My friend Masaki, who is from Oregon, actually originally from Japan, he's studying bonsai and is an enthusiast, and he invited me to come and see this bonsai exhibition in Kyoto at this place called Gafu-ten. So that's where I'm heading to right now. I rarely see bonsai in Japan, probably because I didn't know what I was looking for, but you know, it seems to be more of a dying art that you see a lot of the Japanese Americans, the Japanese, you know, Argentinians or Japanese Brazilians, they still do it like a time capsule type of thing where it's gone over and it's remained. But in Japan, things seem to have evolved and bonsai seems to be more of a dying art. So it's going to be interesting to see. So I'm almost there. It's kind of been an out of the way place, but we'll see. It should be an interesting day today, checking out bonsai. So it's a very interesting area. It says Rom Theater, Kyoto here. I've never been in this area. I'm sure it's a very artsy place. You know, here you seem to have a lot of like modern art behind me here. So this must be like the big artsy museum area. You know, I've never been here. You know, I went to school in Kyoto, but I guess I never was the artsy type, so I never ventured out this far. But it should be another like 50 meters up and to the right, and hopefully that will be the Gafu-ten. I'm curious about bonsai, so I found it. I think this must be it right here. I cannot read the kanji for Gafu-ten or bonsai, but I'm assuming that this is it. So I found the entrance here. I'm gonna look for Masaki, and then we're gonna see the exhibition today. So I entered into the building, which was called the Miyako Messe Convention Center. Gafu-ten was actually the name of the bonsai exhibition. I found Masaki and we got into a short line and entered the exhibition. What I saw as we entered was really impressive. I had seen some bonsai before, but mainly in Hawaii or on TV, but never such exquisite bonsai all in one place. However, in Japan, bonsai seems to be a dying traditional Japanese art, as many young people are not very excited about doing bonsai. But recently, there does seem to be some increase in interest by women, as bonsai was usually considered an art that was usually done by older Japanese men. Bonsai originally came from China over 1200 years ago, but developed and evolved into a form of bonsai that is distinctly Japanese. In fact, today, many Chinese come to Japan to purchase high-level bonsai and take them back to China. There are two sections of this exhibition. One is the display and showing of different bonsai masters and teachers' art. And in the back area is a large section of vendors, garden and bonsai businesses that offer you every kind of tool and pot and rock that you need for bonsai. They also sell mature bonsai that are very old and expensive, as well as little tree sprouts that are between 300 to 500 yen, and you can start from the very beginning on your own. The most commonly used plants for bonsai are pine, maple, or juniper. I was amazed at all the different things that are part of bonsai. So here we are. We're going to go and see the bonsai garden. Oh, look, they have it lined up with bonsai. So he's coming home to his Mecca. Masaki Shimada, we're coming into the bonsai garden. No, not many people come here, but only the bonsai specialists. The day after we went to see the Gafu-ten Bonsai Exhibition, Masaki said that one of his bonsai teachers in the US suggested that he go and see the outside bonsai garden at Daitokufu Temple, which is a Zen temple in Kyoto. Japanese bonsai has been known to have been strongly influenced by Zen Buddhism. According to Masaki, he said that these bonsai garden displays were some of the best in Japan, and therefore probably in the world. They rivaled some of the most exquisite bonsai at the Omiya Bonsai Art Museum in Saitama Prefecture, which is considered to be the center of bonsai in Japan.